Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need iOS 17 or later and an iPhone that supports contact posters to proceed. Update your device in settings if you are on an older iOS version. The calling screen uses a contact poster image and optionally a custom background for full screen calls. Choose a clear portrait photo or a graphic with simple contrast for readability. Recommended image ratio is 16:9 for best full screen appearance on modern iPhone screens. Keep file size under 5 MB for faster loading during calls. Open Contacts, tap a contact, then tap Edit and add photo to set an image. Tap Take Photo to capture a new portrait or choose photo to pick from your library. Use pinch and drag gestures to crop and position the image precisely on the screen. Tap Done once the frame looks right to save the contact image and exit edit mode. That contact photo will appear for incoming calls when the caller ID is recognized. Repeat for up to 999 contacts if you want unique photos for many people. Go to Settings Phone, then call Poster to choose contact posters or full screen options for incoming calls. Select a poster style, pick font color, and choose a background image to control how calls appear visually. You can also edit your own contact poster under your contact card to share a consistent look. Avoid busy backgrounds and use high contrast to keep names legible on the call screen during dim or bright conditions. If you need full-screen photos, prefer images with center composition and clear subject focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.